Welcome back to the CryptoExpress YouTube channel, and today we are taking a look at Ordify. Remember, of course, that I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. So, Ordify. Begin a transformative journey with our suite of products, carefully tailored to enhance your investment experience across diverse chains. So they are backed by some very big names in the business, but welcome to Ordify. They provide a straightforward tools that maximize financial opportunities. So we have the Ordify Launchpad. Elevate your project's launch with a smooth fundraising and token distribution across diverse ecosystems. We also have the Ordify Bridge. Eliminate interoperability barriers between BC20 and Ethereum ecosystem tokens just by using the Ordify Bridge. And thirdly, they have the Ordify wallet. Seize command of your ordinals and Bitcoin ecosystem tokens through our feature-rich Ordify wallet. So the Launchpad here, again, how do you get started? Let's dive into the action. This will illuminate you and kickstart your journey with Ordify. They also have a tier system where we can look at, and you, of course, if you have your own project, you can submit for an IDO on their Launchpad. So here we can see how do you get started and participate with Ordify. Congrats to making it, which means you're ready to start with the platform. So first, you will need to have enough Ordify staked according to the minimum requirement, and this is in the tier structure here. So if we have a look at Ordify, there are 6 different tiers and it operates on a pool. So we can see tiers. The intern staking points pool is required is 200 pool weight times 1. Engineering staking points is 1,000 weight times 2. Tier 3 is 5,000 times 6. Tier 4 is 10,000 times 10. Tier 5 is 200,000 with a weight of 20x. And at the top, tier 6 is 50,000 staking points with a pool weight of 50x. So the system is to calculate the impact the user stake has on their IDO participation. Points within the tier system are a mechanism to track the degree of the user's commitment between the Ordify ecosystem. So this is more if you are starting your own project on the platform, but all of this is of course running back to the Ordify or Ordify token itself. Link, stake, participate. Again, it'll be live on the Ethereum blockchain for use of the platform, and to KYC you need to register an account there. So staking, again, you need to do this before participation. You must stake your tokens in order to participate. And there are dual benefits. You get APR rewards, and also that will give you a tier for participation in IDO fundraisers. And there are 5 durations from 30 days all the way up to 360 days with further details here. But the docs about the entire project, let's have a look. So understanding the Bitcoin layers. So Bitcoin as a layer 1, understanding the foundation is key. Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money. But that is all it is on layer 1. The current issue with building on Bitcoin is their fees are expensive and the transaction time is less efficient. That's why layer 2s are built. So now a Bitcoin layer 2 is a set of off-chain solutions, separate blockchains built on top of the layer 1s to reduce bottlenecks, scaling, and data. They've got high throughput, scalability, and lower fees per transaction, and allows for an entire ecosystem to be built on that layer. So again, yeah, layer 2s are built on top of the base Bitcoin layer, and many solutions, including the Lightning Network, Rootstock, Stacks, and Liquid Network are layer 2s. So BRC20, if you do not know, is modeled after the ERC20 system here. This is basically building on Bitcoin. It's a token standard that uses ordinal inscriptions. So if you need more details about BRC20 itself, Stacks and Rootstack, take a look at that. But now, of course, Ordify itself are these projects such as their Launchpad, Bridge, and Wallet. And again, their main objective is to facilitate the growth on the emerging Bitcoin ecosystem and offer every user the chance to participate and gain exposure in this evolving landscape. So it's the integration of BRC20 stacks, layer 2s, ERC20, and other EVMs. So what makes it different though to other launchpads? Currently, there are none in the Bitcoin space. I think as a whole, if you want to take one thing from this video and Ordify as a whole, just this, they are the first Launchpad operating in the Bitcoin space. So again, yeah, they're a pioneering player in the industry. Their cutting-edge technology is centered around the offering support for projects and enabling users to invest during the pre-launch phase in the emerging Bitcoin ecosystem. Also, it extends beyond Bitcoin and is compatible with EVM chains as well. So we've had a quick look at the tier structure again. This is if you are launching your own project. Staking and rewards. So yeah, the dual benefit schemes. If you lock up for 30 days, you can get a 1% APR. 60 days is 3%. And then you can get 5, 8, and even a 12% APR if you do a 360-day lockup. They have a referral program as well. And in order to participate in any of the IDOs, you do need a KYC to verify your account. This is for regulations regarding ICOs. And while IDOs are legal in many countries globally, some countries have a ban preventing citizens. And this extends for the IDOs for effective citizens. Their priority is to ensure that the services comply with laws and regulations in respective nations. So we also have the bridge. Again, this allows you to transfer tokens between the Bitcoin BRC20 native chain and the Ethereum chain here. It's innovative and permissionless, and you can move your BRC20 tokens across multiple chains. And of course, your seamless user experience. It's very good at connecting the BRC20 and ERC20 realms and addressing liquidity challenges. So some of the technical implementations are indexing ordinals, multi-signature validation, and factory smart contract. And then the bridging flow is you transfer process by indexing the BRC20 asset you want to bridge and the amount. And then of course provide your Ethereum token address. After the transfer, the users must inscribe a custom transfer inscription containing the ticker amount and total and receiving. Once subscribed, you transfer the tokens to the Ordify Bridge. Then you have to wait for the validators to validate. And once it is verified, you will then claim the wrapped tokens on Ethereum. And of course, you can also bridge from Ethereum over to BRC20. Finally, of course, we have the Ordify wallet. Their non-custodial hot wallet. Storage safely to secure users and their tokens. It supports Taproot, ERC20, and EVM chains, as well as Bitcoin layer 2. So you can easily make an account, use biometric identification, and download it on the app stores, which is great to see. So let's look at the roadmap here. So we've seen what they've already done so far, quite a lot already. So next up, of course, will be the IDO for Ordify. I'm sure we have further details about this. We, of course, have the Launchpad itself where you can apply for IDOs. If we take a look at their socials as well, in their announcement channel, over 131,000 subscribers in their Telegram. Absolutely huge. Then there'll be their own token launch on DEX and CEX listings, launching of their incubated products, bridge beta, support for other chains, buyback to improve the token performance. Then there'll be an NFT platform, alpha phase of the wallet, improve some security and expand into extra layer 2s. Another buyback. And then near the end of the year, we'll be testing for the Ordify Super Wallet, more buybacks, expand the Ordify Ventures, and adding integration for other EVM chains to the wallet. So a lot going on here with Ordify. Again, they're basically the first mover in this space, so it's definitely worth taking a look at. And I'm excited for their full launch. I hope you did enjoy this video. You've been watching CryptoExpress, and I will see you soon.